If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Okay, so this is room 11126 here on the Seascape MSC. Let's do a full room tour. Alright, so over here to the left, this is where you put your card in. Any card works, but this is how you power your room. It is one of those old school rooms where you need a key card to power it. And then this is the bathroom. It's a pretty good sized bathroom. This ship is still kind of newer. And for people that are curious, they do have the shower gel in there and shampoo as well. So your toiletries if you need it. And then over here, you do have a nice little desk and mirror and things like that. This TV does not swivel out. Actually, no, it does. Now, it's a smaller TV, but it does swivel out, which is nice. Then you have a mini bar down here. Let's see if it's stopped. Oh my God, so it's actually stopped, which is great. Cool. You got some cabinets right here. Pretty good space. And then over here, some more cabinets. And then you also do have a safe included as well. Not bad at all. Alright, the next right here is you do have a king size bed. There are two beds that squeeze together. And then let's go over the outlets real fast. So you have 2 right here and 4. So you have 4, 5, 6, and then none beside the bed. Well, actually one over there. So 7 altogether, just like the seashore and like the seaside. So I hope this was really helpful. As you all can see, it's a nice and big and large room. It's Mr. Bucket List. Oh no, actually before I go, there is one thing I want to say. There are no large couch. This is an interior room. I believe this is the standard interior room. Let's do it.